Meet Alex, a creative young YouTuber with a flourishing faceless channel. As his audience grew, Alex recognized the need for a captivating text-to-speech solution to elevate his videos. That's when he encountered the contenders, Descript and Lovo AI. Descript offered seamless audio and video editing with text-based precision, while Lovo AI boasted incredibly realistic and diverse voices for engaging narratives. Alex was torn between the two, unsure of which to choose. Feeling perplexed, he turned to you, the viewer, for guidance. Should he go for Descript with its precise editing features, or is Lovo AI's lifelike voices the way to captivate his audience? Your valuable comments and insights could be the key to unlocking his channel's true potential. Join Alex in this decision-making process and help shape the future of his content creation. Together with your input, his success knows no bounds. Comment below and be a part of Alex's journey to find the perfect text-to-speech solution. What's up, Faceless family? Welcome to Debt Busters. Today's video will delve into the intriguing field of text-to-speech technology and pit two formidable competitors against one another. Descript versus Lovo AI. If you've ever wondered which of these cutting-edge platforms provides the greatest text-to-speech solution, you've come to the perfect place. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell. If you subscribe and comment, "I subscribed," you'll be sure to get a reply from me. Text-to-speech technology has transformed how we consume content, making it more accessible to a broader audience while saving content creators time. However, with so many alternatives accessible, it's easy to become overwhelmed. That's why we'll review the significant differences between Descript and Lovo AI, giving you a thorough comparison to make an informed decision. Links to try both of these programs for free will be in the description. As mentioned, content providers and enterprises' text-to-speech platform problems must be addressed. The issue is the multitude of options, each promising the best results. This vast assortment of choices can be time-consuming and perplexing, resulting in inefficiencies in content development decision-making by carefully assessing their features, performance, and user experience. Thus, you can have the opportunity to securely choose the text-to-speech tool that meets your demands, improving your content creation workflow and reaching a wider audience with high-quality, natural-sounding speech. We will look at both separately and then do a quick overview, so let's begin with Number 2, Descript. Descript is a game-changing tool for content makers that simplifies audio and video editing. This technology uses artificial intelligence to transcribe audio and video files into text, offering users a new degree of control over their media pieces. Imagine being able to adjust your audio and video content by directly editing the transcribed text. It's a quick and easy approach to perfecting your projects. You can clip, reorganize, and fine-tune your media with Descript, resulting in a clean and professional end product. Descript's overdub capability is a game changer in voice recording and multimedia creation. Overdub can make an amazingly lifelike imitation of your voice by simply typing the required words and utilizing superior AI text-to-speech technology. This eliminates the need to re-record if you make a mistake while speaking. You can instantly adjust your audio directly within the editor. Furthermore, Overdub brings up exciting opportunities for generating new voiceovers or other audio content. It should be noted, however, that Overdub is now only available in English. A few prerequisites must be met before building your own Overdub voice. To begin, collect at least 10 minutes of your recorded speech. We recommend having between 30 and 180 minutes of recorded speech for the finest, highest quality outcomes. Yeah, I know this isn't 11 Labs. I already have a Descript versus 11 Labs comparison video if you're interested in Descript's Overdub voice cloning feature. Check the card in the top right corner. Following that, you'll need a speech ID as your consent statement for utilizing your speech to train the AI model. When you submit your voice for training, the voice ID is immediately recorded. Alternatively, include the voice ID at the start of your training session. You'll be well on your way to creating a customized and ultra-realistic overdub voice that exactly represents you if you follow these simple instructions. By the way, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. We're going to focus on Descript's built-in voices rather than talk about voice cloning. Click the link in the description to begin. Click the New Project button on the top right corner. We'll choose audio for the default project type. You'll be presented with the untitled page, ready for you to write on. Click Start Writing, and then begin writing your text. Let's write something like, "This is what I sound like." Oops, I almost forgot to choose the speaker. Let's click Speaker right above your text, and then scroll down to Stock Voices. Let's see what some of these voices sound like. My favorite has always been Dawn,
Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important.
but you may prefer Malcolm.
Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important.
Or maybe Henry is more your speed.
Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important.
Descript offers a variety of overdub pricing plans to meet a variety of demands. Beginning with their free plan, it includes all the necessary capabilities for recording, transcribing, editing, and mixing audio and video content. After you've used up your monthly 1 hour of transcription, you can switch to a premium subscription for even more perks. While Descript allows users to try the tool for free, if you want to experience the full benefit of their software, which you should if you are serious about this, I'd highly recommend you upgrade to a paid plan. The Creator plan costs $12 per user per month, or $144 per year, and includes up to 30 hours of automatic transcription per month. The Pro plan, which includes up to 30 hours of automatic transcription per month, is offered for $24 per user per month, or $288 invoiced annually for individuals with more extensive needs. Finally, the Enterprise plan is customized and may be tailored to the specific needs of larger teams of 10 or more members. Contact their team to learn more about the Enterprise plan and its pricing. Now that we've looked at Descript, let's have a look at number 1, Lovo AI. The voice AI in Lovo AI, also known as Jenny, is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence system that mimics the human voice and smoothly understands voice commands. This innovative technology may provide a tailored and pleasurable user experience by leveraging the capabilities of natural language processing, NLP. Furthermore, it excels at text recognition, seamlessly translating it into a natural voice. You can embrace the future of voice interactions with voice AI in Lovo AI, whether for creating lifelike voiceovers or improving user interactions with your applications. This game-changing technology opens up a new realm of possibilities, making communication more natural and engaging. Lovo is the world's most trusted AI voice generator and text-to-speech tool, with thousands of producers worldwide relying on it. Its tremendous capabilities allow customers to save up to 90% of their time and money when generating voices and making high-quality audio content. Now let's look at how to use Lovo as your trusted tool. Lovo's AI-powered technology provides a simple, quick solution to add human-like voices to your content. Get excellent voiceover results in a fraction of the time and at a fraction of the expense. Professional voices are customized to your specific content, ensuring a perfect fit for all projects. You can discover the voice that best fits your concept with such a diverse range of voices to choose from. Using Lovo is as easy as it gets. Select your preferred voice and the desired emotion, put in your text, and watch the final product emerge. It's a simple method that saves you time while adding compelling, lifelike voices to your material. Let's walk through this together. Click the link in the description and sign into Lovo AI. This will bring you to the My Workspace page. Click New Project, and then click VoiceOver. Click the Create button and watch Jenny prepare the page for you. It seems like the default voice is Kyle. Clicking on Kyle reveals other voices you can try. We'll sort by male since the majority of my viewers are men on this channel and would prefer a male voiceover. Let's see what Paul Roberts sounds like.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to talk about Mr. Beast and his amazing crew.
Paul sounds very easy to listen to me. How about Mike Belford?
Trust me, I know how money works. You want to make a lot of money, champ. You got to work your ass off.
Man, I can take or leave Mike. Let's see if Sean Price can impress me.
There are several key components of a healthy work environment. One is physical safety.
Quite nice indeed. You can also use Jenny's AI voice generator to enhance your video material with human-like voices. Jenny allows you to quickly generate professional-grade voiceovers regardless of your content needs or use cases. With over 150 AI voices accessible in more than 100 languages and 25+ emotions, you have the freedom to discover the ideal match for your project. Enjoy the ease of obtaining studio-quality voiceovers in seconds and for a fraction of the typical cost. Copy and paste your script and Jenny's AI will deliver natural-sounding, human-like voices in seconds. Rest assured that a team of professional machine learning engineers continuously monitors the quality. You can even fine-tune the voiceover by changing the pronunciation, stressing words, adding pauses, and introducing nonverbal sounds. Anyone can now easily create fascinating, authentic voiceovers using Jenny's AI voice generator to bring their content to life. Lovo AI has a variety of price choices to meet a variety of needs, from personal to professional. To get started, try the Pro plan for 14 days for free, which includes 20 minutes of voice generation, 1 GB of storage, and 5 audio file downloads. The basic plan is $19 per month or $228 per year. It includes 2 hours of voice generation, access to over 20 premium voices and 100 languages, video export capabilities, commercial rights, unlimited downloads, and 30 GB of storage. If you need even more power, the Pro plan, $36 per month or $432 per year, is a good choice as it includes 5 hours of voice generation, all of the basic plan's features, 100 GB of storage, beta voices, priority queue, producer mode, and priority support. For larger projects, the Pro Plus plan is available for $99 per month or $1188 per year and includes everything in the Pro plan as well as 20 hours of voice generation and 400 GB of storage. Lovo AI offers the enterprise plan for enterprise-level teams, such as organizations that need to grow their audio and video content production, with pricing available upon direct contact with the Lovo AI team. Lovo AI's flexible price choices ensure that users can select a plan that meets their individual needs, allowing them to harness the power of AI-generated voices for their content creation projects. Descript and Lovo AI are strong text-to-speech systems catering to various preferences. Descript provides an easy-to-use audio and video editing platform, AI-powered transcription, and the revolutionary overdub tool for lifelike voice clones. Lovo AI, on the other hand, stands out as a reliable AI voice generator with an extensive library of over 150 AI voices in various languages and emotions, making professional-grade voiceovers easily accessible. Depending on your requirements, each platform can successfully boost your content development journey. Which software should Alex pick? Let him know in the comments. I know you're tired of watching countless faceless YouTube videos like this, trying to figure out how to make a channel and make money online. However, the truth is that it can take several years just to produce a single successful video if you're trying to learn YouTube through trial and error. But if you prefer a more active approach to learning how to make money online, where you can make $10,000 per month or more with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know the best text-to-speech software. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing the top 5 free AI text-to-speech voice generators for YouTubers. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know the top 5 free AI text-to-speech voice generators for YouTubers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.